Alright, I'm going to change the belt on my 2000 Dodge 1500 V6. I don't know if I'm going to be able to show you every little thing because it's hard to hold the camera and get a good view of everything and do the belt at the same time, but I'll do the best I can. Serpentine belt, Master Pro, they're good belts. Cheapest one that O'Reilly's has, and but they're still 30 bucks. You know, anyhow you look at it, a Serpentine belt's gonna cost you 30 bucks. The what holds them on is this tensioner right here, and what you do is just get a wrench on it. It's a 15 millimeter for an American truck. That's just about right these days, but just get your wrench on the nut of the tensioner and push, and it loosens up the belt where you can get it off. Okay, so I'll be doing that from this side, but you might not be able to see it from the other side. Excuse me. The belt is kind of routed, kind of funny around all the pulleys and fan belts, clutches, and blah blah blah. But so you want to take note of where everything goes and which direction it all goes. Most all vehicles have these little belt routing stickers so that you can tell which direction that the belt goes in. If it goes this direction if you don't have an air conditioner, this direction if you do. So it gives you it tells you where to go with the belt. So if you get lost, you can just refer back to this. Alright, I'm going to try, I think that you can see most of it right there, but I ain't going to swear that. So get my belt out. Kind of get it spread out there. And what I want to do, get my old belt off first. So just push against that and take the belt off. Alright, underneath here, over there. Now I can come to the other side, your side. Take it off of here, and just, can't just pull it out. Let's see. There we go, pulled it straight out. It's routed, so used to you had to work it around your fan blade, but you don't have to really do that anymore because they use the back side and the front side. So I always start at the bottom and go around the, I guess that's the harmonic balancer pulley on the bottom. To me, that's usually the hardest one to get it around. Come on, get on there. If you can't reach way down there, that's why it's so hard to get on. Or get around that one pulley. Come on, come on. Alright, let me turn the belt around here just a little bit. See if I can get it on there. Now, there we go. It's on that part. Now I want to swing around here and go over to the other side, or your side over there. I can get it there and there. And I'm going to let it go over here for the moment. And I'm going to come over to this side and see if we can't pull it around. Power steering, is that what that is? And then back over this one. So you're around the bottom one, backwards on the fan belt one, and then around the power steering, over the air conditioner. Now we're going to go underneath the guide there. It's a pulley, and then back around this side of this one. I believe it's routed correctly. Now all I have to do is get this back around there. So, alrighty. Now, I'm gonna go around this one and then push this over. Try to route it around. Yeah, get on there. And of course it's going to come off of one when you try to put it on the other. Now, I believe I'm going to let go of it, and then I'm going to take a look. Looks like it's on that one right, it's on this one right, it's on that. It looks like it's on the bottom one correct, around the fan belt, around the air conditioner. Let's go to this other side, because you want to double check, make sure it ain't rubbing on nothing. And it looks good from here. Looks like it's on the pulley. You definitely want it between. You know, you can get it just off to the side and you may think it's on and then it pops off. But I think it's on all the way around. So let me I'm gonna get my little flashlight. Because I can't hardly see down at that bottom one. And I still can't with that flashlight. I believe it's on the bottom one. Yeah, it's in there. It's around that one good. It's on this one good. I believe it's actually on the way it's supposed to be. So, let's just fire it up and make sure it's running right. Fruit. Alright, that's how you change a belt. 2000 Dodge. And this is why you want to change it. If you can see that or not, but see the little cracks all the way up and down it? If it has cracks, that means it's getting bad. So that's when you need to change it, when you got cracks in it. You need to change it at the house, or you can have somebody change it for 150 bucks on the road somewhere. Okay, that's it for now. 2000 Dodge 1500 V6 Serpentine belt. That's it for now.